but there is something which really plays 50% role in order to get fluency, in order to fulfill your dreams, in order to accomplish your dreams. So, what is that? This is nothing but just your own. Friends, today I am going to tell you something which can really help you. No matter whether you do all the things which are really needed to speak English fluently or not. But one thing is there, and if you don't follow this thing, if you don't do this thing, then you are not going to be a fluent English speaker, or you just stop thinking about yourself that you are just going to get whatever you want to get in your life. And what is that? If you want to know, then try to watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to tell you one thing only can make you fluent in English. What is that? So, without any further ado, let's get deep dive into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back once again on my YouTube channel English with Dehati Ma'am, and I welcome you wholeheartedly on my YouTube channel. So friends, as I mentioned in today's video, I'm just going to tell you one thing, one thing which has made each and every speaker a fluent communicator, a fluent English speaker who has followed this. So what is that? So all of us, as we know, in order to learn English, there are many things, there are many ways on which we have to work. First thing, we have to do listening practice, speaking practice, writing practice, reading practice, without any doubt. One thing which is also really important, along with that, we have to do thinking in English. We have to develop a habit of thinking in English. But on the top of all those three things, there is one thing. Only that thing can make you fluent in English. There's no doubt these things can play 50% part in learning English language. But there is something which really plays 50% role in order to get fluency, in order to fulfill your dreams, in order to accomplish your dreams. So, what is that? This is nothing but just your own words, just your own thoughts. What do you think of yourself? Okay, आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो? What do you feel about yourself? Do you have your faith within yourself or not? What do you think? Will you be able to achieve the goal which you have once set? Would you be able to see yourself at that point where you have dreamed yourself? Your belief can only help you. Your words, which you say on daily basis, will help you to be fluent in English. What are these words? I can't speak English fluently. I can understand, but I can't speak English. I speak English, but I don't have confidence to speak English in front of strangers. I speak English, but I make many mistakes. I think that person is better than me. All these words always creates that inferiority complex within yourself, because of which you will never ever get closer to your dreams. Why? Because friends, these days I have been watching many videos for many days, like on quantum physics, okay, on self-healing, or swar vigyan, many things. And there is only one thing which is connecting each and every concepts of this. Even if you want to heal yourself, even if you want to manifest your dreams, even if you want to get anything in your life, one thing is related with everything. What is that? Your words which always come out of your mouth, your thinking. What do you think about yourself? What do you think about a particular goal? Is it achievable or not? If you say it could be difficult, then you are creating those kind of mindset which tells you you're not enough able, you are not worthy of it. But a person who always believe in himself from the very first day onwards, he says, yes, I can definitely do it. And I am doing it. I am improving day by day. I am getting better at this day by day. I am good at it, not bad at it. So, your words, your selection of words, what kind of words you use to say this thing, your responses really matters to achieve your dreams. Let me tell you about myself. The moment when I started my English language journey, I was not confident enough. However, I considered myself that I am confident. I was not speaking the sentences correctly. However, I considered myself that whatever I speak correctly because I wanted to just represent myself. I wanted to see myself being a fluent English speaker. And it didn't happen overnight. I know that it took time to be here where I am, but it happened just because of the faith, just because of the belief which I had within myself. So, what you have to do, what you are supposed to do, first of all, each and every beginner who really wants to become fluent in English, no matter whether you are from a village, metropolitan city, or from a uh, very different kind of background, your circumstances doesn't matter, but your faith within yourself, the kind of words you choose, selection of your words really matters, kind of attitude, your mindset matters. And the book which I am reading nowadays, you can read that too. Attitude is everything. The kind of word you speak, you choose, that kind of person you become. So if you want to become fluent in English, then select only those words, speak only those words, and always have that mentality. Yes, you are going to achieve that. No matter whether you know all the grammar rules or not, but your mindset about yourself, your attitude about yourself really helps you to a very far extent. 50% your goals or your future depends only on your attitude. Whatever we are thinking these days, whatever we are doing these days, whatever we are saying these days will come in the form of what can we say, reality. हम जो आज सोचते हैं वो कल इन फ्यूचर हमारी रियलिटी बन के आता है. So if you really want to achieve big in your life, so you have to change your mentality. You have to always dream about achieving big things in your life. Don't regret about the failures. Don't feel regret about the moments when you were rejected by others. But what you have to focus on, you have to focus on the future goals. Think, just visualize yourself, you have already achieved it. And the kind of thinking, the kind of attitude I am having now, just because of this attitude, I am able to overcome it. So, I hope you would have understood whatever I wanted to say, that change your mentality and become a fluent English speaker. Never ever let this word sentence come out of your mouth that I am not fluent at all. I can't speak English. I make lots of grammar mistakes. People are laughing at me. Everything will be happening. There is no doubt because you are not a perfectionist. You are a learner. So a learner has right. Okay, a learner has the authority to do. So your audacity matters. Okay, and your dream will be fulfilled. There is no doubt. As I have achieved so far, living in a village, being a villager, being a daughter-in-law, without any facility, without not having circumstances which are really needed to learn English language, you can also do. Just believe in yourself. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.